Hello everyone, today I will guide you on the product settings. Today I will choose a t-shirt to guide you. First, we will go to the desktop page of Kinkai. We will enter the product settings section and I will choose the product here, which is a t-shirt. Before diving into detailed settings for various sizes, it is crucial to pay close attention to modifying the parameters as per the printing house's specifications. Suppose the printing house specifies either 300 or 150. You should carefully click here to enter the required digits, for instance, inputting 300. Additionally, the dimensions here might be in inches. Thus, you must confirm that the unit of measurement aligns with the printing requirements properly. cm or inches, here I choose inches and the image file, and we will select After selecting, we will update it here. When this text appears, it means we've successfully completed the update, ensuring everything is current. And then we can confidently begin setting the detailed sizes for each product, carefully adjusting each measurement to meet specific requirements and preferences. We'll click here. Then, once we've done that, we can use the mouse to hover over, like this, to find the specific product we need to set or configure. Alternatively, we can also type directly into this toolbar, which serves as a search function, to locate the product. And once we need it, we will find it right here, and it will appear on the screen. And once it appears, you just need to notice that it will show an entire selection of size templates. We've carefully prepared these sizes for you to ensure compatibility and ease of use. Here is the front view visible on the screen. The right sleeve, the left sleeve, and the back of the product. Depending on the printing service provided to you, the printing service might offer a range of options to cater to your needs. They might offer printing services for all the template sizes presented here, every single one, or might only provide the front side service, such as printing only the front of the shirt or the sleeves. If that's the case, you can easily delete the remaining parts that you don't require, and it's very simple indeed. Just click the trash icon here. Upon clicking that icon, those size templates that you don't use or need will be automatically removed, streamlining your workspace. Erase, for example, here I will erase the grass part. A very simple operation. And now I will guide you through the detailed settings according to the size of each product. We'll choose the smallest size of the product. It could be XS or S. Here, I'll choose size S because it's more appropriate for this product's specification. You will, therefore, click right here where indicated. Call this size S as it matches the requirements. There's a part that I need you to pay attention to when we fill in the product dimensions. Here, we have the width and height. You only need to fill in one dimension, like width or height, and it will automatically adjust. The other dimension will integrate to correspond with the height. And with the dimension you just entered, for example, here I choose the width dimension of 30 inches, you'll see it has automatically adjusted and the height will accordingly integrate. Or for instance, if I now choose 30 inches as the height, then the width will automatically adjust accordingly. Here, I'll revise the width to 30 inches. And you don't need to worry about this matter, because when it appears externally, your client will only see the size or the information on the front and back of the product, but not these specific dimensions or detailed measurements that we're discussing, so you don't really need to pay too much attention or worry excessively about this particular detail. However, apart from or beyond just the dimension input part I mentioned before, as I specifically instructed earlier, now you have to carefully and precisely fill in the exact size of the printable area on the product, including ensuring that the measurement aligns with dimensions. Here, I made a choice to go with 14 and 16, making sure it meets the requirements. After you do so, you will need to adjust them accordingly until they fit perfectly and meet the specific needs. You will adjust it to fit. That's it. Now for the sleeves. Same here. You'll put the size here. This is size S. I've already filled out the size section, as I explained in detail before. Here, you simply select the product's desired size, and it adjusts automatically to fit perfectly. The height section will sync accordingly without any extra steps. So, in this section, what I'm choosing is 5. I'll choose 4, for example. You will monitor the story once again for them, and then stand by at your position. Now here, we'll have a look. This is 1654. Here I will choose, strategically, 16, 16.5, and finally 4. Subsequently, I will then make my next choice as 9.54 as the situation demands. Make sure everything is done correctly. And the back side of the product measures 30 inches, and this one is 14, while this part is 16. You can go ahead and calculate the dimensions precisely for it. After we have finished setting the details of the product, we will eat bread. When this text appears, it signals that we have successfully initialized. You will see it appear right here, exactly in this location, as indicated on your screen. Let me explain a bit further. This message confirms that everything has been set up correctly and is now functioning as expected. I forgot to click right here, in this spot, and it's an essential step. Do you see it now? It's important to ensure that this step is not overlooked. Yes, but how do you all perceive this situation? In order to utilize it effectively, you just need to make sure to protect that script carefully. If, by chance, you don't notice it appearing on a new line, don't worry. All you need to do is simply extract it as demonstrated in this example here, my friends. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. I have already guided and walked you through successfully setting up the small size product, ensuring everything is in place, and then you just need to continue setting up the remaining products one by one. When it appears to your customer, they'll only see it this way, neatly and organized. To set another size, you only need to click right here and continue as before, just like the previous steps you've learned. It will show up, and you proceed the same way for the next stage. Thank you for following along.